What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. How we doing? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, it's Pandora the Postcard Diva. We are back. I actually want to just go over again. All right, I think I kind of covered all the different updates that the Home Business Academy made, but I want to just hone in on one specific one. All right, but before we get into that, if you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info for some other affiliate programs on how to earn online. All right, now let's cover the FTC disclaimer, because we can't make any income claims or guarantees, all right, on what you can earn, when you can earn it, how you can earn it. FTC disclaimer: average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. To earn much higher income, it takes work, commitment, and skill, right? We got to put the work in to get the results. Let's talk about it. All right. Now, that's it. We know how that goes. All right. Now, so honing in on one of the updates. Remember, I went over all the new updates. Looking at my notes here because I made a little point to cover something here. So over here, right, they have created a new sales page. We talked about it. Where did it go? Where did it go? Which way did it go? Which way did it go? Check out this page. I'm going to refresh it, right? This is our new page. This is this is the new one. I'm going to scan all the way down. You see this? This is the new one. This is the new one. All right. New one with the black background, right? And this is the old one. This was the all-in-one. This one covered the funnel builder and premium, right? $20 and $100 commission. See, this is the old one. See kind of how it looked. I mean, it closes sales. I mean, it did a great job. Okay, I'm not sure how long they've had this one, but they just updated. Then they updated to a new page. All right. See, I'm just scanning through this one, right? Scanning, kind of. You can see that they talk about the premium right here. This is the old one. Okay, I'm just scanning all the way down. Shows you all the bonuses that you get too. Okay, all the way down, $25 funnel builder. Then it offers the premium. Shows you how you can get the premium for 2 weeks free. Okay, and all that, right? Keep going. That's the old one. Got the testimonies here. The heart of the community video right here. This is the old page. Okay, cool. All right. Now, the new page is this one. This is the new page. I'm going to refresh it because we want to see the new updates, right? So, I'm refreshing it. Look to the right. Okay, this is I don't want to get it right, the AI chat bot. Okay, this sales page includes an AI chat bot. The old one did not. Now, I don't know about you, and I looked at some of the other programs I'm a part of. I don't see this chat bot there, right? But not just see a chat bot, but be able to perform the way this one does. All right. So anyway, we're going to talk about it, but that's what I wanted to talk about, the AI chatbot on this sales page, which is going to be a great benefit to us as an affiliate. Now check it out. Okay. Talks about right at the top, it says 80% commissions, 2 referrals, you're positive, you're in profit. The comp plan locked forever. All right. They talk about how they've gotten burned by every company. They've promoted, so they built one so that we don't have to get burned. And I think we've all been there, okay, with that. All right. Now, so the chat bot, that's what I want to talk about. But I'm going to go down here because I like how it's in real time. And we should see here, they also created where you'll see live pop-ups when folks are earning commissions. Okay, this is live. So anyway, that may be happening from time to time as I'm on this page. But also on this page, there's the videos. I'm going down because see how this is calculating? Boom. That's real time. This is a tracker. Okay, this is a Home Business Academy tracker. It keeps the total, grand total of the commissions earned in real time. All right, so this is a tracker, and it says here last verified January 16th, which is today. So it's keeping track of this. As we refresh this page, it does that. Okay, so that's on this page as well. Okay, so we're just showing you some things that stand out. All right, now, why I want to talk about this chatbot, because, guys, when your leads, when you share this page with others, okay, first of all, they're going to see the real-time tracker so they can see, well, how much has this company, they want to see commissions. People want to see, well, hey, is this working for other people? They'll be able to see that coming to this page. Grand total of what's been paid out. Then they'll be seeing the pop-up on the left. And I showed you what popped up when we did a video the other night, right? As we were on this page, it popped up. As folks was getting sales. That's number 2. Number 3, this bot is going to help your leads or your prospects with any questions they may have. I was on the live Monday when they demoed it for us all, and the owners, what Paul was typing in different questions and asking and saying different things, and the AI chat box, it was just like a real conversation, real conversational AI. That's what was happening, the back and forth. If you would not have known, you would have thought behind the scenes it was an actual person, a support person maybe, answering those questions. That's how detailed it was. And from what I can see, what I like to call it was pre-qualifying. It was asking those pertinent questions and the things as a, I know a new person may not realize that, but I realize it because if I was actually talking to someone, those are some of the things that I would have been asking, right? Some of the probing questions. And then it came back with those answers. I'm telling you, it seemed like it was just a real live person. So it was like a real conversation. So I believe this chatbot is going to really help if folks use this. So I want to go over what it covered. All right. So does your sales page, whatever business you promote, I'm just asking a question. Okay. Whatever business you're promoting, go look at your sales page, the page that they give all the affiliates to promote the business you're promoting. Go check it out and look at this chatbot and check it out and see how detailed it is, right? Because this right here is like your new personal assistant, okay? And they have this thing programmed really, really well. So let's cover what they discuss on it. So over here, as it says here, new AI-powered sales page with Sage. Okay, that's what it's called, Sage. That's trained to answer questions. All right, and skillfully lead the right people to closing instructions so that it can possibly get you sign-ups and get your folks started. All right, now, if you were on that call or if you missed it, go back in your back office, right, and come over here to live coaching and go in the replay of Monday. This was on the Monday What's Working Now call. Go in here and you will see the live demo, okay, of Sage and how it was interacting with the questions Paul was asking, okay. So that was in there. So let's keep going with this Sage deal. The chat, the AI chat, okay? Sales page. Sage will ask for your prospect's email. How cool is that, right? Where is it? Right here. So when you click here, I'm not going to do it because I'm not a prospect and I don't want to mess around with the algorithms, if you will, right? Because I'm not a prospect. But you click here, and then this is where you will start. It says, hi, I'm Sage. What's your name? See? So it's asking the pertinent questions, all right? So Sage will ask for your prospect's email also, right? And if your prospects give Sage their email, you will get an email yourself immediately letting you know that someone is on the sales page chatting with Sage. Now, I don't know if that's in effect yet, but I know he mentioned it's coming if it's not in effect yet. Okay, which is going to be great for us as affiliates. This email will include that person's name and email. Because if you notice, that's the first thing it said. Right here. What's your name? Okay. So how cool is that? Just think about it. Whatever business you're promoting out there, for the sales page to have something like this and to notify you as an affiliate to say, hey, Mr. Jones, Tom Jones email is xyz@gmail.com. Just took a look at your sales page. How cool is that to know you had a lead and now you can reach out to Mr. Jones. Say, hey, in real time. Think about that, guys. The person would be amazed and be like, well, how did you know that? You'd be able to reach out immediately and say, hey, Mr. Jones, I'm so and so. I noticed that you were just on my page. Did you have further questions? What did you like? XYZ. Is that cool? So I'm not sure if it's in effect yet, but that's something that's going to be coming. So I think that's cool. So the email will include the person's name and email so you can follow up with them if you want. Love it. So that's what I want to talk about, right? But let's go down here and a little bit further. Again, AI Sales Assistant. That's what they call it. AI Sales Assistant, Sage for Prospects. This is probably the most exciting feature. I believe it is. I'm excited about it. A conversational AI chatbot on the sales page, which is what I was saying. If you saw that demo, like I said, you would think that there's a person behind the scenes that's just sitting there, because that's what we visualize. That, oh, I'm asking a question, and you're thinking it's a person, because people do have folks that just sit, they work from home, and they just answer chat box. That's their job, all day, hourly. This is what they do. So you're envisioning a person answering your questions, but it's not a person, it's the AI. Because it's programmed that way. So anyway, so it's conversational AI chatbot on the sales page that asks qualifying questions and uncovers the pain points, builds belief and handles objections naturally, guides prospects to the close without being pushy, works 24/7 for affiliates even while they're at their day jobs. Exactly, because when you're promoting your business opportunity, folks are going to your page all types of times, days, because this is the internet, right? And people are from all over the world, online. And depending on how where you're putting it, where you're placing it, it's out there, right? So you could be asleep, you could be at work, you could be at the gym, you could be wherever, and folks are looking at your page. And then you've got the AI sales assistant, Sage, to help pre-qualify your leads. All right. So future possibilities. Okay. So future possibility is notifying affiliates when their prospects chat with Sage. This is done and working. Okay. So this is awesome. So again, is this what you have with the company you're with? If not, guys, you better jump on board with the Home Business Academy. Come join the tribe. All right. So this company is just getting better and better. So want to just point out the Sage assistant here on this page. This is really great. I'm excited about this. So anyway, you can check this out. Go to the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome. All right, and check out our new sales page. It's very detailed. I mean, it basically lays everything out, okay, regarding the program, the company, how long they've been around. It talks about, those 3 residual products. All right, we've gone over those. Let's Go, funnel builder, and premium. That's what this page covers. And there's videos here to go over everything. The comp plan is here. Everything is here on this one page. Okay, and now we've got Sage to help do some pre-qualifying for us. So by the time we get notified, it's like, oh, Mr. Jones, okay, I saw that you were on my sales page. What other questions did you have? I saw that Sage assisted you in blah, 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 blah. Or Sage assisted you. Was there anything else that I could answer? But you see what I'm saying? So this is amazing. So anyway, guys, super excited about that. Go check out this program. I mean, they just keep adding. And I saw something saying they got more to come, more new updates. They're always trying to better this program. And you get paid 80% commissions. Okay? 80% commissions. This is weekly and residual, monthly residual income is what you're getting here. It's not instant pay. It's not direct pay. The company pays out weekly. Boom, there's one right there. See why I'm talking to you? This is real time. Okay, because if you notice, it wasn't just, it's real time. So anyway, it's showing you proof that folks are getting paid with this program. So 80% commissions weekly, every Thursday. So just think about that. The commissions range anywhere from $8 commissions for Let's Go, $20 commissions for the funnel builder, and $100 commissions for premium. If you get someone that signs up like I did, well, I got all three, that's $128 per person per month. Just imagine that could add up, right? Again, we can't make any guarantees. We're just giving you, this is what they're paying. Okay, but think about what your goals could be for that. $128 per person if they go all in. Okay, over time. I've said this before. I hate to sound like a broken record, but I have to give you the facts. I was with a program for 7 years. My sponsor was earning $25 a month for 7 years. So just imagine if my sponsor had 50 or 100 people and she was receiving $25 over and over and over, month after month, year after year after year. You see what I'm saying? That's the business model that we have over here with the Home Business Academy. All right, so that's it. That's all. Go check it out. Link is in the description. www.getpaidfromhome.info, or you can come to this page right here, coffeeandcoins.info, to check it out. All right, guys. Before you get out of here, do me a favor. Go ahead and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.